Welcome back, guys, to another hair tutorial. It looks crazy right now because it's drying. I'm gonna do some braids. I'm gonna set everything up while it dries because I don't want my hair to be wet while I do the braids, and I also don't want to put heat. I might run the blower on a cool setting for a little bit, but we're gonna start by putting the mirror on this door right here. But this is for when I'm inside the bathroom. Right now I'm just setting up, and I'm gonna put my hair in the racks, and I'll show you guys when I do that. So okay, so this is the hair. I opened one already, and I'm gonna start placing them here until my hair dries. And I got this color. I think it's pretty close because it was a red that was like really vibrant, and I've done my hair red before, but I didn't feel like mixing or anything like that. And you know, red hair always bleeds, so it's starting to look darker, but when it dries it's gonna look this color. You guys will see that later. Pretty much I'm gonna do, because I never told you guys what braids I'm doing. I'm gonna do medium knotless braids, and I was vlogging in my other phone, and I don't know, guys, like I have iCloud storage and stuff like that, but it's like working and then it's not working, so I have to use my phone to vlog and like do my reels. So I have to like switch from portrait to landscape mode. But anyway, I'm gonna speed this part up for you guys. This is about how much hair I'm gonna be using. They're gonna be medium knotless braids, like I said, and I'll make some smaller like sections at the top. So let's start off by expressing the fact that this is a protective style in the sense that I didn't want to add any heat. So I was letting my hair naturally air dry, which I knew was going to take a long time. So I decided to just separate the hair, and I'll put like one in each and then one overlapping two. My partings could have been a little bit cleaner, and I always go through this not finding the comb that I would usually use to braid my hair and section everything more like precisely, and I found it after I was done. But the point was just to leave my hair up for a few days or maybe a week or two, because your girl loves the straight hair look with this hair color, and I want to have my hair straight in a few weeks. So let's get into the braids. This is all the hair. It's one pack with two pieces from, so basically almost two packs I'm using so far. As much as I wanted this to be like a better, in-depth tutorial on how to do my braids, I just wanted to show you guys me braiding my hair, and pretty much how I would describe it is just starting to braid down, and then with the pointer finger right in that section in between your pointer finger and your thumb where you're grabbing the hair, you would want to add a piece of hair and then just braid it down, and just keep going and add to your desired thickness and length, and you'll kind of know as you get through more braids how much hair you need just by feeling it. So I'm this person that I braid my hair and then I might not like the first one, and then I'm gonna start over until I get it. And it's also been a long time, so give me a break, guys. Okay, y'all, so this is how far I've gotten. I don't know if y'all can see the back. I have like, I think I'm gonna do just two here, have three. I'm not doing a lot, and then I'm doing like the four up here. But honestly, I'm so tired. I'm hungry. I'm gonna do the front tomorrow because I just want to relax. But every time I do my hair, even though I started a little bit later today, every time I do my hair I always do like some in the day and then some the next day. Saw a movie earlier. It was something about Tiffany's, I think that's what it's called. Now I'm watching the backup plan. Pretty good movie with J-Lo. It's an old movie, but I've catch you guys tomorrow when I'm doing the rest of the braids, because I can't even stand this light right now. Okay guys, so I decided upon myself this morning to show you guys what I've been doing. So I've pretty much been like tying the ends because I'm gonna curl them, and then I'm gonna show you a little bit on how I do the braids, because I don't want this video to be too long or anything like that, and I like to take my time when I'm braiding my hair. Now I'm watching this show called Black Cake on Hulu. If you know, you know. Let me know down below what your favorite show is, or movie on Hulu, Netflix, all that. I'm almost done with Grey's Anatomy, so I'm gonna need something else to watch. So yeah, let's part this hair. I have the mirror right behind you guys. Then finally in the morning I was able to finish my hair, and that's the most important part, that I started something and I'm finishing it, which is something that makes me feel good about myself, especially that I like to take my time, because it's a form of self-care, like I said earlier, to do my own hair. And I feel like I'm so talented, and I just like changing my hair, even though it's not perfect. You know, I save myself a lot of money, and I like to change my hair a lot, so this is just one of the pros of knowing how to braid your own hair. And maybe one day I'll get better. It's just I have such a long time I haven't done it, and practice makes perfect. So I gotta get myself one of those combs. If you know, you know. Okay, so I'm opening pack number 3. I have to pause the show. It's so good. You guys have to go watch it. Anyways, pack number 3. And I have just 3 braids left. I kept it like, you know, I did them long, but I didn't do that much because I did them like medium. And I don't want heavy braids. I just want like something to have my hair, like, you know, do some styles like this, wear it out, you know, real cute. But yeah, pack number 3, 3 more braids left. I just need a little bit more hair. I'm gonna curl my ends by dipping them in some hot water, and then I'm going to wrap my hair and make my edges. So I think I need maybe 3, but I'm not gonna keep boring you guys with this, and I'm tuned into my show, so I'll get back to you guys when I start braiding again, I guess. The easiest part is just wrapping the hair around the little roller, securing it, putting it in the boiling hot water and drying it off. And then I like to twirl it instead of just pulling it off so that it can remain like that and set. So this is what the braids look like, guys. I don't even know what the parting looks like, but the hair is done, so that's all that matters. They still look neat. Edges is given. I left out a lot of edges, and I honestly was playing with this one a lot. I knew I should have brought the stuff up here so I could fix it, but I'm about to go outside. I'm wearing my little Savage X hoodie, the black cropped hoodie with the leggings and my Uggs, because it's like chilly. So this is like a chill set, pretty much. It's not a set, but I put it together like a set. Anyways,